Hey everyone, my name is Ishika Paliwal and I'm a fourth year student at IIPS GAVV. In this video, which is part of my academic curriculum, I will be providing an overview of Google Cloud Platform and how can we deploy our application on GCP. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding on the fundamental concepts and the deployment work on GCP. So, what is Google Cloud Platform? So, it is a suite of cloud computing services and management tools offered by Google. Alongside a set of management tools, it also provides a series of modular cloud services, including computing, data storage, data analytics, and machine learning. There are many cloud services present in this market. So, why Google Cloud Platform? So it has a great community support first. Secondly, it is cost effective. It lets its customers spend less. Google App Engine minimizes overhead and consolidates a small number of server configuration. It manages these through efficient ratio of people to computer. Thirdly, user has the control and flexibility available. They have control over the technology and ownership over their data on Google Apps. If they decide that they do not want to use that service anymore, they can get their data out of Google Cloud. Having your application on Google Cloud Platform could make it scalable, and customer gets higher uptime and reliability using GCP. If a data center is not available for some reason, the system immediately fallbacks to the secondary center without any service interruption being visible to the user. So it also is very secure. Okay, so Google's investment in security protects its customers. Customer benefits from uh, process process based and physical security investments made by Google. GCP platform is fully managed. It allows quick collaboration. Many users can contribute to access projects at the same time as data is stored in the cloud instead of their computers. Fewer data stored in vulnerable devices. Minimal data is stored on computers that may get compromised after the user stops using web based cloud applications. So now let's ponder upon the services provided by GCP. So we will be talking about these five services. First is compute services, network services, cloud AI services, big data services, and storage services. So the first service that we'll be talking about is compute services. Compute services has many different features and engines such as compute engine, app engine, container registry, cloud functions. So, compute engine is a virtual machine instance service that allows user to launch and manage VMs on Google's infrastructure. So, the next service that we'll be talking about is network services. So GCP offers a range of networking services that enables users to build and manage secure and high performance network. These services include VPC, virtual private cloud, for creating custom private networks, load balancing for distributing traffic among multiple instances, and cloud DNS for managing DNS records. GCP also offers VPN interconnect and dedicated interconnect for connecting on-premise data centers to GCP. So let's move on to the next service, Cloud AI service. So Cloud AI service of GCP includes Cloud AI platform for creating custom models, AutoML for automating model creation, and AI platform notebooks for interactive development and collaboration. GCP also offers Vision API, speech to text API, and natural language API for processing unstructured data. Big data services of GCP includes fully managed solutions such as BigQuery and data warehousing, cloud data flow for batch and streaming, processing and cloud data prog for running Apache and Hadoop and Spark. GCP also offers storage services like cloud storage and NoSQL database like cloud big data for managing and querying large amount of data. With these services, user can efficiently handle big data workloads and gain insights for their data at scale. Now let's see how can we deploy our application on Google Cloud Platform. So I'm on my Google Cloud Platform and I am going to create my new project which I'll be naming sample project. Now the project has been created. I will go into my project and the next thing that I'll be doing is uh, I'll go to my cloud shell and just see the list of the projects that I have. So I have three projects and I can see the names here. And now we need to enable our API services so that we can start our app engine. So I'll be clicking on this plus sign to enable API and services. So here I will search for app engine admin API and I will just click on it. Sorry. I'll click on the enable button and it's enabled. So now we'll go into our cloud shell and we'll basically create our app engine. We'll start our app engine on the system. First of all, we'll get into the project by using our command line. This command line. So yeah, now you'll see in yellow that we are in the project. We'll go to the dashboard and then click on create application. And then we'll just write Google Cloud app create. And that will basically, this command is used so that we can start our app engine. And now we will be choosing which region do we want our app engine to belong to. So yeah, we'll choose 14 and now we'll wait till our app engine starts. After starting our app engine, now what's left is to deploy our application. So the app engine application has been created now, and now let's just uh, take one uh, sample project of Hello World and just git clone it into our application. The cloning has been done, and yeah, we can now change the directory, and we can keep listing the files present in it. Yes. So let's just check what is in our YML file. Now let's deploy the application we have uh, cloned, and we'll just write a simple command: gcloud app deploy app.yml yaml. Yeah, and now it basically takes some time after continuing, so I'll just skip forward, and then we'll check whether our application has been deployed or not. So the this marked link will be our deployment link, and once the deployment is done, this error will go, and then we can see that our application is running. So I think, yeah, the deployment is done, and now we can just check. Yes, gcloud app browser, and we'll click on the link, but we've already opened the page, so let's just refresh it, and voila, our application has been deployed. You can see hello world printed here, and this is how we are supposed to deploy our application on GCP. And thank you very much for watching. Yeah, have a great day.